Hello, I'm Jeff Bogert, and I'm presenting the results of completing an assignment for CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence using Python. The program that I'm going to discuss is called generate.py, shown on the screen, and it'll be using a data structure and a word structure, or a set of words, to do the crossword puzzles, which is the focus of this particular assignment. This is more generally a constraint satisfaction problem, or CSP, but in this case we're solving a crossword puzzle where the constraints are that a word going up and down and a word going across may have an intersecting letter, and that letter has to be the same to make the crossword puzzle work. So what you see on the board right now is a blank crossword puzzle, and I'm using what's called data structure 2 and words 2 to do this data. And so I'm just going to scroll down and show you what happens in the program is it assigns a particular, what it calls a variable, which is one of the word selections, and then picks a word for that out of the words that were available. In the second picture there, you see that the up and down was selected, and again, you can see where they intersect. The C is the intersecting letter. Then another letter is selected, another word is selected. This one doesn't intersect, so you're sort of free to pick it, but now it gets a little trickier because now we will have other places where we will have intersections. So we have a word down the bottom that is being added, and for some reason it's going through a lot of them where it doesn't seem to have any difficulty. All the E's fit. So I'm not exactly sure what that's about. And it eventually comes up with news at the top and lie at the bottom. And over on the side here, we have junior. Another data structure and another word set is this particular puzzle here. And this is word 1, structure 1. And again, this thing just picks one at a time and tries to pick them so that they satisfy the constraints. And so when we're all done, we have Minimax going down the center. Over to the right is network. To the left is infer. And the crosswords are intelligence, logic, and reason. A smaller puzzle, which is called data structure 0, has 2 word sets. A word set 1, which is I'm going to show you first, and then the word set 0. So this is the word set 1, and we eventually get the puzzle sign with bit across, sign across at the bottom, bays, and byte down. And here it is again with a different set, the 0 set. And that's the end of the recording.